Alright, good afternoon. My name is Ztio. This is my homework 1 submission for Info 4320 on the Morse code flasher. So before I begin, I should probably state that my field was not working, so I had to use my own Arduino Uno. The principal difference between the Arduino Uno and the Fio is that the pins are at 5 volts instead of 3.3 volts. So because of that, I had to make some changes to the resistors that I use for this project. And this will be shown in a schematic right here. Okay, so now let's look at what we're going to do. We're going to input a sequence into the COM port, the serial port, and the Arduino is going to read that sequence of numbers that we type in, and it's going to generate a corresponding Morse code flash. Alright, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.